In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add services on Weebly in just a few simple steps. Whether you're a small business owner, a freelancer, or just someone looking to showcase your skills online, this process will help you make your services accessible to anyone visiting your site. Let's dive into it. First, you need to head over to Weebly's website, open up your web browser and type in Weebly, or simply click the link in the description below to get directed straight to their homepage. Once you're there, look for the login button. It's usually prominently displayed on the top right corner of the page. Click it to start the login process. When the login page appears, you'll see the option to log in with Square. If you already have a Square account, this is a convenient option that will save you some time. Clicking this button will prompt you to enter your Square credentials, allowing you seamless access to your Weebly account. If you haven't integrated Square before, you might need to go through a few additional steps, but Weebly will guide you through it. Once you're logged in, navigate to the overview section of your Weebly site. This is essentially your control center where you can manage various aspects of your website. Make sure you're familiar with this section as it helps you keep track of your site's performance and updates. Now it's time to start adding your services. Look for the items tab, which should be within your dashboard area. Clicking on this tab will direct you to another page where you can manage your site's items. On the items page, find and click on site items. This section gives you an overview of all the elements currently available on your site, from product offerings to services. Here you can add new items or edit existing ones. Next, you'll want to create a new item. This is a straightforward process. Once you're on the site items page, you should see an option to create new item. Click this button to proceed. A new window will pop up asking you to specify the type of item you want to add. Because we're focusing on services, you'll want to select service as the item type. At this point, you will be prompted to enter details about the service you are offering. Make sure to include a compelling description, pricing, and any other important information that your clients might need to know. This ensures that potential customers understand what you offer and are more likely to engage with your services. And that's it! With these steps, you've successfully added your service on Weebly, making it easy for visitors to see what you offer. Remember, the better you present your services, the more likely you are to attract clients and grow your business. Thanks for tuning in, and be sure to check out our other videos for more helpful tips on maximizing your Weebly site.